What's up everybody and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be showing you how to use the Blum wallet. For that the process is very simple. All you have to do is to go to your Telegram and go to your Blum bot. So once you are in your Blum bot, all you have to do is to launch Blum over here. The option is right over here. Just click on it. So once you will launch the Blum, it will show you like this one. So here you guys can see that the MyBlum is farming already, so you can use it for farming purposes, mine the Blum coin, and how you can earn, you can go over here and use different sort of mediums in order to earn. Make sure you go and check for the social rewards, daily combos, and you go for daily rewards as well. Complete the missions, complete the tasks in order to get more coins. So after that, you can invite your friends in order to get more coins and increase the farming rate, and then go to wallet at the end where you can send and receive money using different sort of wallets that you can attach with it. So that's how you can do it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please consider subscribing to my channel. Take care. Bye bye.